Hey Kids fam, we usually start our day by a word of prayer.
Morning, you've just woke up. It's 8 in the morning,
And we are so happy to see this day.
yes.
And guys, without beating around the bush, so today we have planned to show you what's welcome to a day in our lives.
So guys, we want to do, first of all, we usually wake up and we are going to start with our workouts.
Straight kidogo.
Yeah, and then we'll see what to do next. So let's put on some music. Start the workout. Yeah. We are done preparing ourselves. So
Yeah.
We took
A warm bath.
yes, a hot shower. Yes. Now we're going to take breakfast. Take or prepare it first.
Prepare. Oh yeah.
We're going to prepare the breakfast first and then eat it. Yeah, so let's go guys.
So guys, we have already prepared our breakfast.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's there. So guys, we are having some tea, some juice, mandazis,
And
biscuits. Yes. So let us enjoy this breakfast.
and my sister will be working because later in the day we are going for a shoot and we don't want to be late for the shoot. No,
Yeah.
we want to reach there early so that we can prepare ourselves. So we are ready to go for the shoot. Yeah, we are done with the work which we had earlier. Now we're going for the shoot and hope so it will be well. So guys, see you in the shoot. See you in the shoot. Yeah.
How are you? We are so fine. So today, guys, we have decided to go for some photo shoot somewhere.
Yeah,
Just outdoor photo shoot, not indoor. So guys,
and we hope you're doing well.
yeah. And so we have decided to take you guys along with us and see what we usually do. And
We are having a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And we hope you enjoy those pictures.
yes.
Yeah.
So guys, this is our camera guy.
Yeah.
He's the one taking our pictures, and you can book him for a shoot. We leave his contacts on the description box. Yeah. Yes.
Hi. We are back. And we're so sick. Yeah, we're so tired. And the shoot was nice. Yeah. But the place where we were supposed to go for the shoot, it backfired. Yeah. Too bad. Yeah, too bad for us. But all in all, we managed. Yeah. And came up with something beautiful, which you'll see in this video. Yes. And we are grateful. Yeah. For everything. Yeah. So guys, we're going to end this video here. We don't want to say a lot of things because we're too tired. Yeah. So if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe and join this kids farm. Also share our videos please, and remember to like, also put a comment, yes, in the comment section. Yeah. And also remember to put a thumbs up to our YouTube videos. And guys, by that, if you want a post notification shout out from us Thegitstwins, it's just simple. Yeah, just simple. Just screenshots. Yeah, you go and watch our video and screenshot it, and then share it on your Instagram and tag us Thegitstwins with S. Yeah. And we shall say that, and but then we should leave the name in the description. Yeah. So that if you are having any difficulties, you can just go there and check our Instagram handles. Yeah. So that's simple. So that you can get a shout out from us. And so today the post notification shout out goes to the Lance team. Yeah. Lance Photography. They are the one who were in charge of the shoot. Yeah, and they did a good job. Yeah, they are also in Instagram. Yeah, we leave their handles down in the description. Also their contacts. Yes, you just call them and have a shoot. Yeah, they're so nice. And also to Faye Heads. Yeah, Faye Heads. Love you. We love you so much, and we appreciate you sharing our videos. Yeah, and keep it up. Continue sharing. Yes. We are happy. We are humbled. So guys. See you in our next video.